Hello everyone, my name is Rahab and today we'll be doing question 8 of our 2019 November previous question paper. So I hope you guys will be paying careful attention because now we'll be on database. I have a little bit of a problem with my laptop because some of the keys on my laptops are not working, but I will use an on-screen keyboard. I hope you won't mind or you won't be disturbed, but I'll make sure that I move the keyboard where it won't be a barrier to your view on documents. Alright, so let's get to it. So this is a document, okay? I like showing you the front page of the document so that you may have an idea of what we're doing. It's life orientation, it's life skills, computer literacy, 1st of November 2019. Alright, so we're gonna go down. We're almost done, guys. We've been doing this for days and I hope you guys are paying careful attention and are practicing as well. But today we'll be doing page 13. So it says here, use MS Access to create a database file with a file name Road Accident Survey. Okay, so you're just gonna go on your search engine or on your menu, on your start menu button, and look for Access. You can just click where you find it, or rather you can just scroll down for your Microsoft Office documents. Right, there's your Access 2013. Our document is opening, and let me just delete this one that I have and remove it. So I always say that when you find something like this, you should always choose the blank page of your document. So it has been said that it is a road accident survey. So like I said, I'll be using an on-screen keyboard because some of my keys on my laptop are not working properly, and I just want to get done with my with this 2019 question paper, accident survey. So I just want to get done with this question paper so that we can move on to then you're gonna click here where it says create so that we can move on to 2020 question paper. When you're done with your first steps of the document, this is going to appear, and then you're just gonna go up here where it says view, and you're going to choose design view. Alright, and then when you're going to choose this option, it's going to show you this table, and you need to have to click to put in your question number, or for now you can just put in your question number. Oh, what question is this? Alright, let me see. Question is this is question 8. So I'm just gonna say question 8. I have a bit of a problem with my keyboard, but we soldier on. We are not gonna stop. I have stopped for so many days because of this keyboard. I didn't want to work because of this keyboard, but now like we don't have time anymore. So because the question paper doesn't say anything of your title names or title text or title numbers, so in this instant now we're going to delete this row. This is how you delete the row. Just going to delete the row. Alright, and then you can start with your structure. So save the document as examination number. I forgot to put in my examination number that I usually use as my name in question 8. Then they say create a structure of the database using the information below. So I'm just gonna do this quickly. So I've keyed the field names as needed as requested by the question paper. Causes of accident, age group, sector, and fatalities. So now all I need to do is just to change here. I'm just gonna say short text. After saying short text, I can just change the field size to what is the 24. So the field size is 24. I'm just gonna say 24, and here it's short text as well. And what does the size say? Size 12. It's a size 12. Size 1, 2. And then the sector, it's a short text as well. Let's see what it says. It says 25. Just gonna put in 25, key in 25. I don't know what's wrong with my keyboard, eh? It's disappointing me a lot. It's delaying me. So now here on fatalities, it says number, long integers. Sometimes it would say currency or something like that, and then it will show you what size there should be. So for now, because it's fatalities and it's numbers, here it has to say long integer as requested by the question paper. Here it says number, long integer, size 4. Alright, so we're just gonna say number, and then if it says long integer, that way. But if here it says currency, and then you go to click here and click on currency, and on the size as well, there's gonna be an option that you have been given. Usually if it's currency, it's gonna ask for the size to be a decimal or how many decimals should be there, and then that's when you're gonna change your field size to if it's going to be double or replication or decimal. But for now, we're just gonna say long integer because it's been requested by the question paper. And then, so you're done with your structure. So when you're done with your structure, you can just click on Ctrl S so that your document can be saved. Ctrl S so that your document can be saved. Alright, so you're gonna come here where it says data tool so that you can print your work. And you're gonna come here where it says database documenter, and then so this is going to pop up because now we've been working with question 8. You're just gonna tick here on this box on the side and go into options, and this is going to pop up for the first selection of option this text box of selection of questions or of preference. You're not gonna select anything, and then here you're gonna select the second option that says name, data types and sizes. On the third one, you're just gonna click on nothing, and then OK and OK. Yes, yes, there you have it. So your structure should look something like this. It should have question 8, the name, the date, and how many pages are there. Causes of accidental text 24, in that manner, in the same way that it's been shown in your question paper. It should be in that way, and then you can just go on and print your document. Then you'll be done with question 8. So, and then now we're going to copy. We're just going to simply copy that document of question 8 and just, okay, let me show you. Just click on question 8, right click, and then copy it. When you're done, or rather you can come here on the home option, click on the thingy on question 8 and just go on and say copy. Then when you're done, you can just say paste. Click anyway and say paste. So it's going to be paste. An option is going to be given for you to make changes. So you're just going to say question 9, because now we are moving with dial. We are moving on to question 9. Question 9. Okay, let me just write my name, because it requires us to have it in an examination number. So you're just gonna put in your ID in your exam room, because now they want you to type in the examination number. But for me, with these videos, I'm going to type in my name and surname. You can just say okay. So because there's a comma here, I'm just gonna say Rahab Khasibi Phela. Okay, so it's been copied. So we're gonna open this file and we're gonna go on to our question 9 and see what it needs from us. Guys, I forgot about this. A4 portrait. Right. A4 portrait, don't forget that. So we'll be moving on to question 9. Guys, my videos are allowed to only be recorded for 15 minutes. So meaning that there will be a continuation of question 9 in the next video. So but then I'm gonna start with my question 9. It says open the table you saved as your examination question 8. Copy the table and rename it as we did that already. 9.3 say create a database by entering the following data in the table. So we're going to enter everything that is here on our document. So we're going to start here where it says causes of accident. Okay, sorry. Okay, this was requested of us to create a database by entering the following data in the table. So here's my document. We're just gonna check here the instructions. Here it says add a new record with the following details. So you'll have to add poor vehicle maintenance in 18 to 70 years private. Fatalities 54 on your document that you're busy with on Access. So we're just gonna enlarge these. So when you do it, you just bring in your mouse here in the middle of these two options and double click. With this one as well, double click so that they'll be bigger. You double click. Okay, there's no need for this one, but I did it anyways. So this is it. And then so we're just gonna add in the last option, which is poor vehicle maintenance. Okay, so the video is gonna cut. And then we'll be given, so it's 18 to 70. And it's private. And the fatalities are 54.